Hi, this is Cindy from Shenandoah Papercraft, and this is my monthly Jello journal. This month, for January, I'm calling this one my Winter Wildlife book, and it was pretty much inspired by Hither and Yon Studio. She made the cutest Arctic fox kit, and that is going to be the bulk of this Jello journal. Is her cute little Arctic fox. But I added a few friends for him in here, and you'll see a lot of bling. This is going to represent the ice and snow in the winter time. And again, this is berry blue Jello with snowflakes and this little medallion here and a bow. And it is 2 signatures. I've covered the spine with these snowflakes here. And on the back side is just a winter scene with some deer. And I will show you the inside. I'll hold it up because it's small. So again, we have the deer paper here. Here is the first of Hither and Yon Studios Arctic foxes, and this comes with little text. Basically what I did was I used all the small ephemera bits out of her kit, so because they would fit into the Jello size. So here's one tag I made. Isn't that a sweet face? That Arctic fox. Little snowy thing. This is hers. This is not. That's just from a wild woodlands download. This is from a bird book I had. It's just a little snowy branch, this little snowbird sitting on an icy branch. Here's another one of Hither and Yon's Arctic foxes. Some icicles. Snow falling soundlessly in the middle of the night will always fill my heart with sweet clarity. This is one of my snow leopards I made. This is some vintage wrapping paper. I had just a little bit left over, and I just love the deers on there. Deer silhouette with a snowflake. Here's the center of the first signature. It's a snowy sleigh ride with some pretty white horses. Here's another one of Hither and Yon's Arctic foxes. She makes these adorable. The circles are hers, and the pockets for the tags are hers. I just did a little snowflake stamping over here. And here's another Arctic fox who's very curious, looking at the world. I thought that was a good match. Some more snowbirds, snowmen. Here's another one of my snow leopards. I just made a lace pocket for it. And some of my wolves, snow wolves. Another one with her sweet face. Here's a snow owl from my bird book. And I just put lots of lace and some pom-pom trim throughout here. This one's actually one of my Arctic foxes that I made, and a wolf pack that I made, all in the snow. Here's a snowbird from one of my bird books. And I just put lace on the snowman and the term wintertime. In the bleak midwinter, frosty wind made moan. Earth stood hard as iron, water like stone. Snow has fallen, snow on snow, in the bleak midwinter long ago. Here's some more of her foxes. And another pocket and tag of hers. She also has these cute little circle ephemera pieces. A little magic can take you a long way. This is just an owl tag I made. Another snowbird. And a deer. I made this pocket. Here's a couple circle embellishments and this cute little fox. I think he's cute. If you listen carefully, the silence is beautiful. And another snowbird from my book. Beautifully wild. Here's one of my snow leopards I made. And this book again is about our furry friends. Another deer. Can't have a winter animal book without a polar bear. And some more snowmen. And on the last page is one more of my snow leopards. And that's it for this month's Jello book. Look for February's coming up in a few weeks. Have a great day.